Michelle, how bad is excessive convergence? This is mentioned some, but not very much on the myopia website on Wiki. At around -5, looking at something with my unaided vision seems quite a bit of convergence, and notice that, yes. Michelle, excessive convergence, not so much my area. So convergence is, for those who don't know, the closer you look at something, the more your eyes turn inwards to focus, right? And the further you're away, the more your eye, the extraocular muscles in your eye are relaxed, looking straight ahead. I generally don't recommend not wearing any correction with diopters high enough to where at like half of an arm's length, you can't read the screen clearly enough not to be strained. Like if you have to do this, no good. Like I would recommend wearing differentials for that, especially for sustained periods. Like if you just have to check your phone, whatever, that's fine. But don't make a habit out of being so close that your eyes are consistently turned inward. Not our area, right? Like extraocular muscles are not my area. It's just intraocular muscles, so the muscles inside your eye. But I would recommend not doing things that cause sustained strain to eye muscles that are probably not natural. There's a whole bunch of issues that I've seen, like tangent, right? Like that's not my area, of people having problem with eyes maintaining the correct positioning, and I think strain doesn't help there. So always wear correction. Like I generally say 60 centimeters is a decent distance, right? Like the distance like that I'm at now from a laptop screen. Like that's pretty good. Phone distance, already not so great anyway. But using that as a reference distance where you kind of want to be at for close up, and then wearing correction that is appropriate for that distance, and not really getting closer for stuff unless it's for brief periods of time, checking phone notifications.
Meow, 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 meow.